Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ledger in Minecraft. This powerful plugin records nearly every player action, making it an essential tool for server administration. It helps you quickly identify and address issues like griefing or theft, ensuring a fair and fun environment for everyone. We'll cover the basics to get you started. Let's dive into the core commands. The /ledger lookup command is your primary tool for investigations. You can specify a radius, for example, r equals 10 for a 10-block area, to narrow your search. Remember, understanding these basic commands is key to effectively using Ledger for any moderation task. To refine your searches, you can add various filters. For instance, Steve will show actions by the player Steve, while Diamond Ore will highlight Diamond Ore interactions. Combining these like Steve Diamond Ore allows for very precise queries. This helps you pinpoint exactly what happened and who was involved. Ledger also offers powerful restoration capabilities. If griefing occurs, you can use /ledger restore with your query to revert the changes. For example, griefer TNT could restore an area after a TNT explosion. Always be cautious and confirm your query before executing a restore, as these actions are permanent.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.